Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. While I'm resting here nicely in my garage, my wife is cleaning the car. I know.
It's not fair.
It's not fair. Okay, just a second. What do you want? Do you want to give me candy? Okay. Okay, thank you. Hey! Do you want to give me candy too? Why did you trick me? Ella! Ella! And you're good, you didn't trick me. Good.
Are those AMPERES keys?
No, that's my keys actually. Everything what you can hear, see here is a bunch of these guys. And I was hoping kind of to be able to put this wire. That's the original wire I put, the cables basically. So, like, just a second. So it's here, yeah. It's okay. That's this. 3.1 millimeter, right? 3.31 millimeter square or 12 gauge. It's very good. It's the cable which I have, basically I bought it before for installing my other stuff, like my this one here, garage, not garage, what I'm talking about. I'm getting really old and senile. My charger. My car charger, right? I use the cable and I use the armor cable around, what you can see. And then pieces of that cable left, and I just wanted to put it actually. This thing is moving too slow, so I have to move slower. So there you go. I bought this thing here. It measures the current. $20 amps and 6.5 to 100 volts. This looks pretty sturdy to me. That's the cables I got from that cable, and I just put it around here. Works very good, but I wanted to kind of root it down here, so it doesn't, when I move it, so it doesn't have any problem. Like, everything is moving. This is not my thing. This is the thing originally how they came up with, and that's original power cable. That's original power cable. It runs through right all the way from here, right here, around, and all the way down, and follows up. So basically I removed this thing, right, because it's not charging anymore. It was the charger for this thing here. I removed that, and I ordered these kind of stuff. I tried to fix it today, but I don't know, these wires are too big and they don't fit, and I'm missing one. So see, I labeled everything nice. Load plus minus, battery plus minus. I need to fix this and fix this. I ordered similar type, but here you can make a shortcut. The one I ordered from Amazon should come tomorrow. They come with a plastic, see-through plastic cover, so it's not going to be able to shortcut them, and they're going to be running nicely. So that's how I routed the basically cable, that cable around. Yeah. So from here, again, from here, that's just temporary solution. I'm gonna make it nicer, right? Oh. That's so strong. It opened the box. Idea is when I put this box over there, I'm gonna make it like nice, so it's not gonna be able to for rain to go. I'm gonna be water seal it and make it tight. My main concern is this rubbing against this one here, right? So if it goes left and right, I don't want to be rubbing against it, right? See again, see, that's a full motion, and it doesn't. That's because I'm holding it on these legs, original legs. Yeah, that's why I make sounds, but normally it shouldn't make any sound, right? So I just want to make sure, but this is rubbing against here too. Should be okay, and that's pretty thick insulation with this cable. It should be running really smooth. Why I did this particular setup, because I didn't want to make any holes into this thing here. See, that thing is, I couldn't open it. I couldn't open it. It looks like it's for more pieces, but I was just, that's why I just put it underneath, everything nice and clean. And when I put this on top, it's gonna be nice. Nothing is gonna be protruding. Nothing is gonna be rubbing against my knees or whoever drives, and it's gonna be good. But I will have to wait till tomorrow, and then by that time I can put this thing back over there or try to. See, nothing is in the way. That's original cable, and that's my cable. This goes around, and it's good protected, right? It's protected really nice underneath, so you can, even if you hit it underneath or something, there is a protection with that plastic. I think it's pretty good, right? So see you tomorrow. Hello everyone, day number 2, upgrading my cable system. See, first we're gonna see what I ordered yesterday and I got today from Amazon, which is amazing. Amazon is always amazing. Not always, but it's very good. That's how does it look. See, it's very good. It's 12 pieces terminal block connectors. They look really nice. I'm just gonna shortly open. Actually, I have opened one here, but I'm gonna open quickly one to show how it's very good and reliable. So how does it work? Very easy. See, that works like that, and it's connected through one small basically bus bar, and it says 600 volts 25 amps. That's just enough for me, because 21 amps is 25 amps is enough. It draws a little bit more electricity, and it's connected to one bar, so good. So far so good. Moving along, because it comes with a 12 bars, like 12 connections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Come on. Yeah, 1, 3, 4. Oh, I removed one. Crazy. I was clever enough to cut one, but be careful when you cut. Then this insulation wall is kind of getting not so strong. But anyway, I use this small thing and cut. And look at the size. This used to be, but this is quite enough. Like, look at the opening of this thing. It can accommodate 3.3 mil, which is 3.3 millimeter square radius, which is just enough for 10 10 gauge wire. This is 10 gauge wire, right? See, it says 10 gauge wire, right? 10 gauge wire, battery connection, and that's the thing. Plus you can come on this side, maybe record what I finished here. Everything is done, everything looks good, except here. You can come from this side, from the other side, because you're not going to be able to see this. But these cables I put, they're very thick, and I had to cut this around, right? I had to cut this around in order to accommodate for the movement. But that's about it, right? That's the load, and that's the papers. These are already put with protection. These are the papers from that thing, right? I'm gonna put that away. Okay, in my pocket. And that's the thing. I think it's pretty good, right? I'm just wondering, is it gonna be, but I'm not gonna bend too much. Like, I don't want any shortcuts here. If I put it just a temporary solution, I just put it like here around, and that works fine. That's the thing. See, should work like this, left, and should unlock this. Yeah, unlock this thing. Now look inside. I already cut one for this is connections I made here. See, that's insulation wall I was talking about, and that insulation wall is getting kind of iffy if you put it like, see, that's good on this side, but because I cut this here, it still kind of doesn't have that much support, but it still should be good, right? And plus it comes with this thing. It comes with this thing, which I also cut. And look at that. Isn't that beauty? It looks very, very, very good. Gives you the access to the thing and gives you the safety, because if you put one small tape like this, you don't have a problem thinking, is it gonna be like shortcut or touched? Like, look at this. This looks really, really professional, right? This is extra, just since I didn't want to cut. So that's it. That's it. Insulation wall in between, plastic coverings, and that's the load. Minus goes to minus, minus to minus black, and red to red, plus and minus. Same thing I did here. The battery, see, load minus, load plus. That's a load. So that's from the thing, from the to the charger, to the motor, basically, right? Yeah, that's the thing I need to finish. I left it for the end. So I just need to add these things, minus to minus, and minus to minus, and plus to plus, and that's the battery. It says battery here, but that's actually a load. So minus battery and plus load. I mean female and male. But it comes first here through the battery, goes to the battery, plus and plus. Minus is red, green is plus. Now minus is black as always, and it goes all the way here, right? It goes all the way here. So plus for the outside load, battery plus, and this one is the battery minus load, and this one is, that's the battery minus, and that's load minus. That's the battery plus and the load plus. There you go, everything nice. And I just stuck it here. Of course I'm gonna make a more insulation, like a bubble for the rain and stuff, but it should work. So we're gonna flip it to this side because that's off normal, and then we're gonna put the load, as I said already, like this. This is really, really heavy wires. I opened it already, so I'm just gonna slide it here like this. See, get a little bit insulation, which is good. Make it tight inside, and then make it tight with my left hand because my left hand is stronger lately. I can only hold it a little bit, but that's good. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the minus, and I'm gonna put it on the opposite side. See, if this like piece is stuck, then it's gonna be less chance it's gonna get shortcut. Of course, it's not gonna be shortcut. I put it down like this, and then tighten it a little bit, and then all the way. Okay, all the way. Good. Now it's tight. And one more check. One more check before putting this protection thing. Again, minus to minus, plus to plus, and that's a load. It goes here, right? It goes here. So plus goes to plus, minus goes to minus, plus and minus, and this is the battery. The battery goes all the way to the power control and the measurement thing, and then we're gonna do this. Make one long strip across like this. Come on, I want to make it nice, so no crease, please. Like this, and around like this, and there you go. You see, everything is nice, everything is labeled, and everything is super cool. I think it cannot be better. And at the end, we just got to connect the wires. So this is the battery, and that's 1, 2, and 3 batteries. Males goes into females. We get this at the end. So we're gonna put this one the last. Number 3. We're using the brand new batteries. And maybe you can come from this side if you want. But that's okay now, you see better. Yeah, see? You cannot mistakenly do it because it goes. And that's it. This is off. So we're gonna plug it here. Oops, something happens. Maybe that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. That's just the 70 volts, right? Just overly excited. And see, 68.63. And see, it doesn't work even because it's directly connected to the battery. It doesn't even work with this here because I didn't. It's plugged nicely. Remove this thing, that's important. So you can come from this side. I think you're gonna see better because you're gonna see the way I see it. Come look inside first. Everything's connected. 1, 2, 3. These are gens 22.2 6L 5000. Everything's working good. Good. That's connected. And now we're gonna flip this thing. Put this down so nothing is in the way, right? Nothing is catching on anything. Actually, we're gonna put even that to complete that. You can record just putting this, right? See, everything is hanging in the air, nothing is touching anything, everything is good. I'm gonna press this here, and that's it, original. Now you can come on the other side from my back and record this. You can record this here. Yeah, so I'm gonna shut it on. Turn it on. Maybe upside down. Maybe this thing is up. Try now. Yeah, this is up.
That's why
You
when
know.
you were connecting, you heard it.
Yes, yes, you're right. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do this. That's the thing. Now it's on. So we're gonna turn it off.
You put on off.
Now it's on, right? So we're gonna put here. See, we're gonna put here on. On. Okay, Ella, can you be quiet now? On. So we're never gonna make that mistake again. And this is off. 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 There you go. See? And now when you flip to the off, I think it's opposite.
No,
It's good. Off now, right? This is off. Okay, 32 amp. See? Nothing. That's why we had that noise. Okay? Now it's off. Now we flip it to on position. Now it's on. And now, click, it works. So, 181 kilometers. The voltage is 68.3, and how much does it say? 68.6. So it's very, very good. And you know what? Because it's already on this, we're gonna try. Is it working? It works. But we want to record this because that's the main thing. It's because of this. We want to have something which shows us when we sit here. Shows us. See, when you go like this, and then you want to go. Shows you the energy. There's a screen off. Maximum 1.3 amp, 88 watt. And if you do this thing, it takes a little bit power, right? 06012. If you turn the if you put like a lights on and off, it takes a little bit more power. See, that's a short, that's nothing. Okay, and that's just position, and that's a normal light, and that's position, and that's light off. So just to turn it off and on, it's still drawing some power because it's directly connected to the, see, this is off, doesn't work, but because we directly connected this thing to the battery, it shows the battery voltage all the time and slightly draw because of this thing. It needs some electricity to work. As soon as you turn it on, what happens? Shows you 68.5. Here it shows 68.3, 68.59. That's good. That's good. And on you go. Power. See, 88.8 watt, 89 watt. That's my favorite number. 89 watt of power. 130. And that's, of course, that's only when you sit and it's working in empty air. Let's try it for a real one. No, it doesn't work. So if you want to check something, always put it on off position. Right. And then we're gonna measure exactly the voltage. This is power, this is power. So that should be voltage from the battery, all three batteries. It's showing 68.5. 68.5 volts. It was 68.6, so this one is closer. 68.5. Good. Now we're gonna put it back. Everything looks good. We're gonna put this back, and then we're gonna flip this thing, right? We wanna make sure that that thing is on. Can you come here? Yeah. We're gonna put this back, and then thing is, this is off and that's on. So on, right? And now it works. This thing doesn't want to work good. Actually, we don't need that. We need this. And record this nice thing. Yeah. Look at this, look at this. How are you gonna go for a real ride? This is really handy, right? Doesn't go all the way. Maybe it has to be with a key connection. See, it's kind of finicky, unique. Huh? I can hardly wait to try this baby. Okay, try this baby a little bit. And yeah, record me here. Just gonna push it a little bit, and off we go. And then I'm gonna take over. Wow, works really good. Just need to figure out this thing here. Yeah, so I want to make it nicer, to look nicer, to stay better, like this. Right. Okay, I'm gonna take over now.
Как chcешь камеру держать?
Yeah, I'm gonna just hold it like this. Just hold it like this, and I'm not gonna drive far. Just gonna, you know what? Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Safety first. I'm gonna put that in my jacket now. Then we're gonna go. Hey, so I'm ready. Here. Hey, okay. That's my thing. So I'm gonna put it here. Put it here. Unlock it all the way up, and that's way. See, I can drive, and then it can record me safely. Hey, let's go. I'm here. Guys, be careful. Just be on the path and drive slowly. Okay, I'm just gonna try it for a little bit, okay? Thanks for recording. Bye. You're looking good, by the way. 51 years old, sexy baka. Grandma, sorry. Yeah, I just want to record how everything looks so nice. Nice. Yeah. I'm not gonna record now the speed and everything. I'm just gonna go. Yeah. I'm gonna record. There you go. Lift it up. Nicely sit. Press the brake. And now we're gonna check how does it work. Yeah. It's in the middle. Just this thing is strong, but just like to encase it in a better way, so it's gonna showing really nice. I'm just happy how it works now. 68.3, 68.54 volt, 0 19, 13 power. Let's go. Let's go with a slow start first. So, whoops, slow start. I mean 370, 400 watts. Let's see. Easy, guys. Don't go too fast, okay? So 11 amps, 500 watts. Be careful. Stay on the pot. Okay. Let's see how it works now. There's a bump here. We go very slow. Now we're gonna go 10 amps, 740, 800 watts. Oh, okay. Some serious 1800 watts, 21 amps, 10, 16. Wow. You have to watch the traffic. 1000 watts. Wow. So it oscillates a lot. Of course, the wind is blowing in our the chest, in my chest. This is stop. I'm gonna turn around. Nobody around. Slowly. Okay. And I'm gonna do another test, slow test. I'm gonna see what's the minimum draw of electricity if you want to go really slow. 67.9, and I have to 68.28. So I have to be careful because I didn't charge the battery. These are brand new batteries. So let's see. 180, 200 watts, 300 watts, 320. Right? Is it any different if I go from that low mode to high mode, which is one here? Right, what's gonna happen? Is it gonna be any slower? 260, 250. No, yeah, it still needs around 400 just to start, 350. And it goes to 800. Right? Now let's go insanely fast now, I mean. Maximum. We have a wind in our back now. See what's gonna happen. 32 amps. Ooh, that's too much. I don't want that to suffer. 2000 watts, 26 amps. The limit for this thing is 25 amps, and the breaker is 32 amps, so I don't want to take too much electricity. Well, let's try again. 2000, 32 amps, and it's holding 31 amp. So it's not so sensitive. You can go 25 amps to 33 amps, 21 kilowatt, 2.1 kilowatt. That's a lot of power, right? I'm gonna record my wife and my kids now. Yeah. Hello. Okay, go back to down. There you go. That's okay. Up a little bit. Now we're gonna go 700 watts. I hope it's gonna be seen. 1500, 21 amp, 17 amp, 15 amp, 14 amp. Oscillates a lot, but it depends how much you drive, how fast you drive, what's the wind, what's the resistance. Let's go around. Let's go around. Let's go around. Let's go again from 0. Whoops. $33 amps. 33 amps. 21. Let's go again. 33 amps max, and it's holding. And now it's going down. No, still 33 amps. 28 amps. It's maximum. I'm holding at the maximum, and I'm braking here because it's a corner. So it can hold for a couple of seconds. And it seems this thing is really good, tough. I don't want to go too much about it, but maybe it's gonna die. But no, I think it's holding good. 24 amps, 18 amps. I hope it's gonna be seen. Again, maximum. And I'm holding it. 33, 31 amp, 27, 26, 25, 1500 watts of energy. 67 volts. Okay. Sorry, girls. That's okay, thank you. They are nice. Let's go again. And again. Let's go from the zero again. Let's go. Yeah, maximum start 32, 8, 33. So you can hold 33, it's okay. 63 volts. 2150, 43 watts. 97 watt of an hour. 51 kilometers probably. I'm gonna slow down now here. Good. Good. It's very zippy. 64 volts. Wow, these batteries are really something. I'm gonna leave a little bit just for the night show, because I wanna be able to show how it works when it's a night time. Bye bye. Let's see. Let's see. Is it hot? No. No wires. Nothing is hot. Nothing is hot. Everything was good. Drok. D-R-O-K. It's really good. Oh, this thing is tight. I cannot not remove it easily. See, that's a light now, and if you hold it and it's off. That's on, that's off. But as I said, we're gonna try like night drive, and then we're gonna see how it works. Works very good. Okay. Okay, you have to help it a little bit. Then we're gonna turn it on, off. Basically here. And then I'm gonna fold this up. Yeah. And check the batteries. They're lukewarm. They're nothing. They're really not warm. And we're gonna park it here, and then we're gonna wait for the night time. Yeah, this is dangerous to put it this way. I'm gonna put it this way because this is a uphill. These batteries are monster batteries. I'm gonna leave it in that off position because it's really nothing. This holds really nice, and I really love it. I really love it. Yeah. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna shut the battery off. There you go. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I'm gonna wait. Oops. I'm gonna wait for the night time. Right. Now we're gonna try one more time when it's night. You can see really how this thing works nicely. Hey, I love it. Okay, nighttime ride. This place not working, nothing is working, but it's gonna work now. We're gonna connect this here. Okay, put it down. It's off, that's important. Now it's on. Okie dokie. We're gonna record it like this. So turn it on. There you go. We're gonna leave the light on. Let's see how display is showing. I like this. I like it like this. Okay, turn the position and then turn the light. Very, very sexy. Let's just do the short ride. Not gonna do the big ride. Just want to see how the display works, right? When it's nighttime. Actually, see, this is off. Still visible. This is on. Off. On. And then we're gonna go. Just one short ride around my block. There you go. I like the sound, whooshing sound. Nobody, nobody. Okay. See the light. So I don't see this power meter, or watt meter actually, it's power meter, doesn't have seem to be having any problems with the 30 volts. Going a little bit over 30 volts, right? Which is really quite nice. Only thing I need to do is make it nice. Now it's maximum, see? 32. Generally 2000 watt or 2 kilowatt. That's a lot of power. That's really a lot of power, but that's pushing, like this is maximum, right? In the top speed, highest speed, probably around 42 kilometers, I mean 28.17. That's enough. And one more time with the display on, just want to check how it goes. Really slow, slowest possible. So 3 amp, 100 watt, 300 watt. You cannot start with less than a 250 watt, right? 60, wow, 900. Like, let's go slower. $300 watt, 250, 350, 9,000. But if you drive like 20 kilometers an hour, right, then you need still like 800 watt, 750, 650. Like this is probably like around 20 kilometers an hour. Still need 750, 700 watt, 650. That's good. That's probably like 25 clicks now. That's enough. Nobody behind. Okay, let's do the circle. And yeah, see, that's it. You cannot go less than 350, 200. If you go really slow, then it's gonna be 500. Let's keep it 500 watt. Is it gonna be, see? With 500 you cannot even drive fast. That's 500 watt. 60. If you wanna accelerate, you need 1,000 watts. 1800 now. That's moderately. Uh-oh, it's blinking. Maybe that's the sign it's drawing too much. Yeah. That's the first sign of malfunction. So you cannot go over too long for 32, right? Oh, I know what is it. It's 50. It's my okay, 59 volt. I made, that's perfect. It works. That's nothing is wrong with it. I made the 55. Yeah, 55 volts. See, when it goes to 55, it's gonna start blink. Yeah, that's a low alarm, low voltage alarm. That's perfect. That's perfect. So when it goes, yeah, that's amazing. So 5840 right now. Let's go into the garage. Back. Let's press the button. Okay. That's amazing. That's amazing. Really good. Let's go into garage. That's good. So 55 volts, and then it has, see, 54, 53. That's amazing. That's very good. 55 just for the end. Not gonna do it anymore. 56, 56 4, 56 3, 56 4, 8 5. That's amazing. That's very good. I'm very happy with this thing, and I'm proud of myself how I made it nice. That's very good. That's very good. And I'm gonna put it back to this thing. Okay. I just want to try this for fun. It's very sexy looking thing. I love it. I just love it. There you go. And then the right one. Right one. Everything works flawlessly. Amazing. and that my job is, with this test, my job is done. I'm proud of myself and I really like it a lot. See? No display light. No display light. Very, very nice. And that's good. So if you go more than below 55, it starts the lower voltage because I set it up to blink. Ha ha ha, that's amazing. That's amazing. Turn the light. So that's just positioned. Just the lower bulb works. And on the bottom. I love this bike. I'm so happy I still have it. And I kept it. Now turn the light completely off. 55.6, 55.8. That's amazing. That's good. One more time. 55. Okay, shut it down. Open it up. Just need a little bit of help here. I need to help it. Okay, now it worked. And I'm gonna shut it down. That's the only thing I need to do. I need to make sure when I unplug it, so I plug some kind of stuff down. Like to protect from shortcut, because this is 70 volts like now, right now here. So maybe make a small switch or plug just to accidentally, whatever happens, so you don't shorten it out. And yeah, that would be good. Other than that, I think this is pretty much done. Yeah, then this on, off, turn it off. And actually I should have done that before, and because I unplugged it from the battery, it's done. And one more time. It's really, I just need to wash it. It's still dusty from not using it, but it does look nice. Only thing I can complain is here, so I need to protect this. Maybe I should make something like this around, or put a bubble, kind of a bubble see-through box, plastic box, and it's gonna be perfect. I think it's gonna be perfect. Okay, that's it for tonight and today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day, guys. As always, play safe. Always play safe. There you go. Top Gun. Oh my god, oh my god. It's very cool. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice life. Enjoy. Bye bye. I'm so happy.